Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with Dhanurmas recipe. We have seen multiple varieties of Bhoga offerings. Khichdi is a wholesome meal. It's not just healthy but also satisfying. Dhanurmas ki khichdi is one such khichdi which is offered during Dhanurmas to Sri Ranchor Rai Ji in Dakur, Gujarat. This khichdi is offered throughout this month after Mangala Aarti. After offering this khichdi, it is distributed amongst the devotees. And the devotees as well wish to honor this Dhanurmas ki khichdi in the pious month of Dhanurmas. With lots of ghee, dried fruits and some fresh vegetables, this khichdi has a perfect balance of ingredients. Dhanurmas ki khichdi is super delicious and best for prasad distribution. So let's prepare this amazing khichdi quickly. So for Dhanurmas ki khichdi, first take 1 cup of rice and half a cup of tur dal. Add water and wash them well. Do not take basmati rice. Here we have to use Gujarat Sattar rice, Kolam rice or Sona Masuri rice. These are ready. Now add sufficient water. Soak them for at least 2 hours. So for Dhanurmas ki khichdi, here I have taken some khada masala, dry fruits and many ingredients. I have mentioned all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. Here I have taken 7 to 8 dried dates, also called as chuare or sukhi kharek. Cut them into small pieces like this. Also take some khada masala like cinnamon sticks, cardamom, mace, cloves and black pepper. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw turmeric or fresh turmeric. In this khichdi, we will not use any ready-made masala. Take half a cup of pigeon peas or tur ke dane. If you do not get, you can use green peas also. It has been 2 hours. Tur dal and rice has soaked very well. Discard all the water. In the pan or kadai, take 6 cups of water and boil it once on high flame. It has been 6 to 7 minutes. The water is boiling. Now add tur dal. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped raw turmeric, salt as per your taste. Next add 7 to 8 chopped dried dates or kharek or chuare. Mix and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes on low flame. It has been 7 to 8 minutes. Mix it once. Cook it on low flame only. Add half a cup of pigeon peas. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Mix and cook the dal until it cooks up to 50%. It has been total 12 to 15 minutes. Let's check. The dal has cooked 50%. Now add the soaked rice. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Mix it. We have shared many khichdi recipes and you can find all in khichdi recipes playlist, which link has been shared in the description box below. Now cook all until every ingredient cooks and combines well. Keep the flame low only. Meanwhile, let's prepare the masala. Take mixie jar, add 1 mace or javantri, small piece of nutmeg or jaifal, 6 to 7 cardamom. Add 5 to 6 small cinnamon sticks, 5 to 6 cloves, 10 to 12 black pepper. Grind all this into a fine powder. Our masala powder is ready. Transfer this into a bowl. In this spice mix, add 1 cup of water. Mix it and keep it aside. Stir it in between. Cover the lid and cook it further. Meanwhile, let's fry the dry fruits. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a small pan. Keep the flame low only. Add 12 chopped almonds, 12 chopped cashews, 12 chopped pistachios, 2 tablespoons of chironji or charoli. Fry them until they turn golden and crispy. At last, add 3 tablespoons of raisins. Do not over fry them. Dry fruits are ready. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. It has been 30 to 35 minutes and you can see the khichdi has cooked so well. Add 1/4 cup of saffron water. We have soaked 10 to 12 saffron strands in 1/4 cup of water for 1 hour. Add the khada masala or spice mix water that we have prepared. Add half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Add 1/3 cup of sugar to balance the spices. Mix it once. Add the fried dry fruits. Combine all this well and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame so sugar combines well. It has been 4 to 5 minutes. Mix it once. You can see here its texture. This is so perfect. We have used total 7 cups of water. Our Dhanurmas ki khichdi is ready. Turn off the flame. Garnish it with some fried dry fruits. Pour some ghee. Our Dhanurmas ki khichdi is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Sri Ranchod Rai Ji. If you are planning to visit Gujarat, then make sure to visit Dakor Dham as it is one among the Panchadwarka and it is famous for the prasadam. And this prasadam is available in the parikrama marg of the altar. There are varieties of sweets and savories available. If you like bhoga offering recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga offering recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.